Hello students and welcome back. So in continuity of learning with sutures after catgut, today is the day to discuss one more suture material which is very important, the workhorse, which is Vicryl. So first question, identify the suture material which is shown in the image. I already revealed the answer, so the answer to this question is Vicryl. But how do you remember the suture material from the color? So the code is Vicryl is violet, and as you can see in the image, it's violet color. So violet will be Vicryl, silk will be black, catgut will be yellow, and Prolene will be blue in color. Now second question, Vicryl is made up of. So remember one important point, Vicryl is a copolymer, not a homopolymer. If you know this point, it becomes easy. The answer to this question will be copolymer of glycolide and lactide. So that solves our second question. Bonus point. What is the absorption time of Vicryl? So remember, absorption time of Vicryl is 3 months or 90 days. There is one more suture material which is available, which is known as Vicryl Rapid. So as the name suggests, rapid means it has fast absorption. How fast? Half of our original Vicryl. So absorption of Vicryl Rapid will be 45 days. So in the last two videos we have covered catgut as well as Vicryl. In future videos we will be seeing in detail about the enzymatic absorption, the various mechanism of how the sutures are absorbed and how they are classified. If you are finding these videos useful, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel.